Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming core prerequisites. Your mic is selected and set to 44, 100 Hz, 16-bit. Install the noise reduction tool you prefer. Audacity or a real-time noise suppressor both work. Then record a short 2-5-second clip of just background noise. This is your noise profile. Once you capture that profile, save it and prepare the main recording. Make sure levels aren't clipping and that your workspace is as quiet as possible before moving to the reduction step. You now load your main recording and first select the noise profile segment to teach the filter what to remove. In the noise reduction dialog, capture the profile, then apply reduction. Set threshold, reduction dB, and smoothing or attack/release where available. Once done, preview the whole file at about -10 decibels to check for artifacts like warble or hollow voice. If you hear odd artifacts, back off reduction or increase smoothing. Iterate until background drops while voice stays natural. You finish by visually inspecting the waveform and spectral view, removing any remaining hums or narrow band noise with notch filters or spectral repair. Once satisfied, export the cleaned audio at 44, 100 Hz and your preferred bitrate, keeping an original backup. If things go wrong, for example you get throatiness or warble, try a multi-pass approach. Apply gentler reduction twice instead of one heavy pass, or reduce a specific band with EQ. Make sure to save incremental versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.